For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Hello friends, this is Hitendra Soneji signing in for Productive Life 360 degree. Now, who are productive people? How are they fundamentally different from non-productive people in their overall approach to work, to other human beings, to society as a whole? Discover what this means for your career. Some examples for productive versus non-productive. So there are always two type of people, two type of persons. One, those who are productive, and once those who are non-productive. Right? So what is the difference between productive people and the non-productive people? How productive people work and how non-productive people work. So there are few examples I will be giving you, live examples. A productive teacher is concerned about bringing out the best in each student. Such a teacher cares about the future of every student and whether they have built confidence in the subject or not. So this is the kind of productive teacher who is concerned to bring out the best in each and every student. Right? On the other hand, the non-productive teacher is unconcerned whether students are paying attention or not, or have understood what is being taught. She is not bothered. Such teachers run through the syllabus but are disengaged from their students. Now, result, students find this class is boring, right? Because they are not able to understand, because teacher is not focusing on the student. She is only in a hurry to do her job. Just finish up the syllabus, whether the students have understood or not. One more example, a productive sweeper cares enough to ensure that the living environment is clean for people in the locality. Now, he has a wider view of his work and doesn't just see himself as a sweeper. He takes pride in his work of creating a clean and hygienic environment for the people who live there. And on the other side, the non-productive sweeper sees his work in a narrow way and does it only for his living. He has no pride, no interest in his job and works like a robot without any feeling. Thus, he becomes careless and chalta hai in his attitude. बोलते हैं ना, चलता है यार, काम चलता है ना, चलने दो, चलता है mentally, it's a one kind of attitude. This is a work attitude, चलता है, चलता है, चलता है. One more example I will give you, the productive team members, because you know everybody has to work in the team in an organization. So working in a team as a productive team member always puts the team's success before personal success. Such team members are committed to the large purpose and don't let personal egos in the way. Whereas the non-productive team member pursues personal goals, even if it is at the cost of team goals. So such people may be talented as individual stars, but are unable to contribute in a team environment. So productivity constantly strives to combine both effectiveness plus human values in any situation. So effectiveness in every situation means accomplishes the goals, does the work well with a spirit of excellence. Human values in every situation means acts with integrity and in the best interest of those involved and demonstrates human concern. Each one can grow and strengthen his productivity. This is one of the great practical things, and this is the secret of all success. So be productive in your life, round and round 360 degrees. Thank you and wishing you the best of luck. Thank you.
For detailed learning of all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.